Ever found yourself caught in the age-old debate of whether to rent or buy a home? This conundrum has puzzled many, and rightly so, as each choice comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks, deeply influencing one's financial wellness. Imagine stepping into the world of independence, with the flexibility to move at will without being tied down to a single location. This is the freedom that renting offers. It's a more accessible option with lower upfront costs, especially in high-cost urban areas. Plus, you're relieved of maintenance responsibilities and property taxes, providing an opportunity to allocate funds towards other financial goals. However, renting is not the only player on the field. Picture owning a home, a space that is truly yours, a long-term investment that allows you to build equity over time. Despite the initial costs, this equity becomes a valuable asset, improving your overall financial health. There are also tax benefits such as deductions on mortgage interest and property taxes, which can reduce your taxable income. Not to mention, owning a home brings stability and the freedom to customize your space. But how does one decide? Well, it's not just about weighing the financial implications. Your personal circumstances play a pivotal role too. Assess your financial stability, career trajectory, and future plans. If you've got a career that demands mobility, or you're unsure about settling in one place, renting may be more suitable. On the other hand, if stability and a steady income are your allies, buying could be the choice for you. Luckily, you're not alone in this journey. There are numerous online calculators and tools to help assess your readiness to buy a home. They consider factors like income, debts, and savings, offering a personalized assessment of what might work best for you. But wait, there's more. Turning to financial advisors for advice can provide a balanced view, highlighting the pros and cons from a financial wellness perspective. Moreover, following financial wellness experts and influencers on social media platforms can offer continual insights and advice. Remember, it's not just about the present scenario. Long-term financial health is equally important. Thorough market research considering factors like interest rates, housing market trends, and personal financial goals should precede any decision. So, whether you choose to rent or buy, remember that both paths come with their own set of benefits. Renting offers flexibility and fewer responsibilities, while buying allows for equity building and tax benefits. This decision heavily depends on personal circumstances and financial stability. Utilize online tools, seek expert advice, and consider long-term financial health before making the decision. After all, financial wellness is a marathon, not a sprint.